Alright, so no talking today. Straightforward and simple. Engine's coming out. Got Pat here to help. Let's go. Give me a flathead in that on the bottom. It doesn't really matter what size. It doesn't need to be like huge, but not like the tiniest one. Jesus Christ.
So you sure you got flatheads in here?
Yeah. It sounds like a fucking war zone over there.
Which one do you want?
Holy
shit. I couldn't find it.
It literally sounded like you were fucking going to war over there. Swear to God. That's the funniest shit.
Moist hands.
I hate that. Come on.
What is 2007?
Huh?
It's 2007.
Yeah.
I wanna watch it 2008. You got another one?
That plastic foot. This dumbass. Put the bucket right over it. That's fucking great. That's actually funny.
Alright, the frame's out.
Does this thing lift up?
Oh wait, no, I gotta look.
I'm holding it.
It's still on the engine. Alright, look, come here.
Oh!
Hold the frame. Hold the
The
frame.
whole frame just came off.
I got it. Ready?
No, relax. No, stop.
Whole
stop.
entire
Try to get the
I don't think we're out. I don't think we're out. And we should.
Oh wait, you know why? Wait, look, the skid plate is
Yeah.
under the frame and the engine's on top of the frame. Alright, put it back on the stand.
Pull the skid plate off. Pull the skid plate off.
It's off. It's off.
Oh wait, I see.
There you go.
What the fuck?
It shimmies out. No,
Oh!
don't pull. Don't pull.
I got it.
Let it out. Let it out here. Let it out here. Go. Let it free.
Easy.
Let it free.
Yeah, boy. Leave that out. We better power on.
Hey, this shit looks like it's pointed down. Alright, so this is actually attempt number 2 of doing this, and I don't know why, but my camera, for some reason, I just can't get it to mount up nicely. I feel like it's just not, I don't know, unless it's just tripping me out from this angle, but whatever, I just hope I'm in frame. But anyways, yesterday I went to record this, but little did I know, I guess I didn't hit record, so here I am again. But so in the last video you saw that I was just pulling the engine, and I really didn't want to focus too much on like explaining. I kind of just wanted to get it done. It was 4 bolts. It was not that hard, you know. I was just kind of crunch time, just trying to get it done, and I really wanted to take a lot of pictures of all the electrical so I could like retrace my steps when I put everything back together, because I mean, not that it's a lot, but it's my first time doing it, so just better be safe than sorry. But I actually came across something pretty fishy that is going to be a little bit of a hiccup, but I'll insert a picture right now. That, yeah, that's the engine block that's broken. It somehow, whatever we were doing, something looks like it shot up through the chain and it just took everything out, and that's the crankshaft seal that isn't sitting properly now. So the spindle for the gear shifter that comes out, the seal sits around it, but the engine's broken where the seal kind of sits in. It's supposed to be completely like circle around the seal, and it's not. So my dad was gonna check that out, so hopefully he can, you know, come up with something for that so it really doesn't like ruin everything, because it does leak a little bit of oil. Because when I put when I first got the bike, I put some fresh oil in it because it was dry. There we go, found out why it's dry, and found out why I saw the fresh oil that I just put in leaking. Relief to find out why, but not really a relief when something's wrong. But other than that, so pretty much from here on, the frame's out. It's just, I just have to clean up all the parts. So I don't even think I'm gonna record the process of like cleaning all the parts, because I doubt you guys want to sit there and watch me sand down a frame and clean in depth all these parts and stuff. It's gonna end up being time lapses anyway, because once again, that's something that you kind of just want to get done. So I'll take some like before and afters, I guess, and just show you guys in the next video after it. But for now, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Thanks for watching, guys, as I pull into this CVS